Alright, so this is Patrick Anderson and Anthony Shumate, our first assignment for mobile systems programming. This is the main menu. We have buttons to take a picture, view the album of all the pictures you've taken with this app, view the map, which has pins for every picture that you've taken, and an exit button. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a picture. Alright, we've got to wait. You saw the little progress bar there. We had to wait for the GPS to sync. And then it boots up the default camera app. You can take a picture. And it returns to this screen where you can save or discard. Once you save it, it starts another activity to write an annotation for the picture. So just go ahead and write something. Okay, so he's writing desk and saving the annotation. And then it takes you back to the home screen. So now if we view the album, his phone is kind of loaded down right now. It shows all the pictures we've taken in a nice grid view. If you want to click on the picture you just took, it takes us to a screen where we can see the picture, and then down at the bottom we can see the info, we can see the map of where that picture was taken, and we can delete the picture. Go ahead and click the info. Alright, so it brings up a little dialogue that tells us the annotation that we wrote. If you remember, he wrote desk. And then it tells us the orientation information of when the picture was taken. Say I wanted to annotate, or say I wanted to edit that annotation. You just click the edit button, and it takes us back to this. So he can change it, just put something else in there. Okay, so say you wanted to change it to table, save the annotation. Takes us back and we view the info. And as you can see, it has the new annotation. So go ahead and click done. Now say we no longer needed this. Well, actually, first let's take a look at the map. So if he clicks the map button, it'll take us to right where he took that photo, zoom centered and zoomed in on right where he took it, and you can see around it where we took other photos around here. Okay, so go ahead and hit the back button.
I'll just actually go right back to the photo.
So you can click the photo, actually. You can click the photos and it'll take you to that photo's activity. Say we wanted to delete it, go ahead and delete it. We confirm it and delete it. And it takes us back to the map. That's a bug. Go back to the album. Hit back again. Okay, and so as we can see in the album, it's gone. And when we repopulate the map, so go back to the home screen. When we repopulate the map, zoom in on those. It's when you click the view map button, it zooms out quite a bit so that you can see, you know, if you're a traveler, you can see all the pictures you've taken around the United States or whatever. So we zoom in on right where we've taken all of these pictures, and the one he just took is gone. Was there anything else that you wanted to show about this?
These are pictures we've taken before this. It's quite accurate. As you can see, this is where the parking garage is. We took a picture over here. I'm just going to go to that. See, it's very accurate.
And there's the Harmon parking garage.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
let me see. Let's go back to the main menu. And I think that's about all there is to this app. The album is basically a grid view. You can scroll it if there's a lot of pictures. You can it's very easy to use. Do you have anything else to say?
Just that we added an exit button that truly kills the app instead of just putting it into the background, so you don't have this running in the background.
And I should show the progress bar as well. This is, as you can see, the GPS is syncing. Actually, the GPS is no longer syncing. Well, let's go to the album. That will deregister the GPS because we want to make sure our app is battery efficient. It's not constantly running when the app is running in the background. Anytime the main menu is paused, the GPS will be unregistered. So now you can see that, okay, the GPS synced very fast there, as you can see.
But we have it so that it's waiting for the GPS to register.
You can see the notification bar. It just appears there, briefly. We want to make sure we do that because if you take a photo and the GPS isn't registered, it'll put default values as 00, and you'll probably end up on the west coast of Africa, and that's definitely not where you took your photo. So.
right.
Just gonna,
And that's just about it. So if you want to show them hitting the exit button
sure.
after you save that. So hitting the exit button, and it completely kills it. And that's our app.